Hey everyone, welcome back to CircuitBoost. Today, we explore how RPA helps simplify regulatory compliance. With increasing rules in industries like banking and healthcare, manual compliance is tough. RPA automates tasks like reporting and validation, making compliance faster, cheaper, and more accurate. Let's dive in. Robotic Process Automation, or RPA, refers to software bots that mimic human actions in digital environments. Think of them as digital workers that never sleep. They log into systems, enter data, complete forms, and even trigger workflows across platforms. These bots excel at handling repetitive, rule-based tasks, making them perfect for industries that require precision and speed. From HR onboarding to financial reconciliation, RPA is redefining how businesses approach routine processes. Why do organizations turn to RPA? The answer is simple: efficiency, accuracy, and scale. By handing over repetitive tasks to bots, employees can focus on more strategic, value-driven activities. RPA helps reduce human errors, speed up operations, and ensure every process is followed precisely the same way, every time. What's more, it scales effortlessly across departments, making it ideal for large enterprises with complex processes. Compliance is no longer just a checkbox, it's a business imperative. With regulations constantly evolving, companies are under immense pressure to stay up to date and audit-ready. RPA plays a crucial role here by automatically tracking regulatory updates, generating compliance reports, and flagging potential risks. From banking and healthcare to telecom and insurance, RPA ensures timely compliance without the manual overload. Plus, it offers transparent audit trails that regulators love. In today's globalized world, governance is anything but simple. Rules differ not only by country but also by sector, and keeping up with them manually is a Herculean task. RPA bridges this gap by consistently enforcing policies across systems and regions. It gives compliance officers real-time dashboards, triggers alerts for violations, and maintains business continuity even during audits or investigations. With RPA, compliance becomes proactive instead of reactive. Compliance failures can result in millions in fines, or worse, loss of trust. In today's dynamic regulatory landscape, manual processes simply can't keep up. Automation brings in the speed, precision, and reliability needed to meet ever-changing compliance requirements. It helps organizations avoid costly mistakes while also keeping teams lean and focused. Automation isn't just a support tool, it's becoming the backbone of modern governance strategies. Let's break down what RPA can actually do. It can auto-generate audit reports, validate data entries across multiple platforms, and even schedule periodic compliance checks. If any issues arise, bots can immediately trigger alerts to the concerned teams. Most importantly, all activities are logged for future audits, making it easier to trace decisions and actions. With RPA, compliance is not only more efficient, it's more accountable.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CircuitBoost for more tech tutorials and insights. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video.